In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add watermark to a video in Canva. So if you have a video project like the one that I have right now, you can add a watermark such as a text or a logo or an image into that video. But I think it is need to be said that there is no native watermarking feature in Canva. So essentially we have to create our own watermark that we can add to the video. So what you need to do now is you have to open the video project, and I do recommend opening the thumbnail view. If you are using the scroll view, you can click thumbnail view and you will get this result. This is going to be very useful when you are managing a video. So anyway, let's move on with adding a watermark. There are two types of watermark. The first watermark is a simple text like this one. I could add a simple text like watermark, or you can also just insert an image and or a shape or a vector. It doesn't matter, the process will be the same, but for this tutorial I'm going to be using a simple text. So this is the text for the watermark, and I'm going to make sure that I select the white color. Okay, I'm using white, and the color here is very important. Usually white is the most popular, but of course nobody's going to stop you to use other colors. The most important thing is actually the transparency of the object itself. So this is a solid color, but of course watermark is not going to be the main point or the main element that will draws people attention. It's just a tiny information that people might know, but it's not necessarily the thing that they want to see on the video. So you want to add some transparency to the watermark. The number is arbitrary. You can select any number that you find the best. I think 30 is good enough, and I'm going to make the text slightly bigger, and I'm going to put it in the middle. You can put it anywhere else that you think is the best, and when you're done, you'll see that this watermark is now will be seen throughout the video. But of course, as you can see, this watermark, by the way, if you don't see this section, you can right click and click show element timing. So it will give us a sense about where the watermark is located. And unfortunately, we cannot just make this text longer. We cannot put it to cover other clips. That is very unfortunate. So the only thing that we can do to add the same watermark to other clips is by right clicking, copy, and then go to another clip, and then we can right click again and then paste. So you can repeat this process over and over again until all the clips in the video have a watermark. So I'm going to play the video to see what is the result. Alright, so that's exactly how you can create a watermark to a video in Canva.